Hi friends, my name is Debodena. I am professionally a fashion designer, married to my best friend who is also a fashion designer, proud daughter of two wonderful parents. If you are watching my video for the first time, please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. My channel will tell you about career in fashion designing and in and out of fashion designing. So there are lots and lots of content coming up. Please subscribe. In today's video we're gonna discuss about 20 top colleges in India. Top 20 fashion designing colleges in India. First is National Institute of Fashion Technology, New Delhi. Second is National Institute of Fashion Technology, Mumbai. Third, National Institute of Fashion Technology, Bangalore. Fourth is NIFT, Chennai. Fifth, NIFT, Hyderabad. Sixth, NIFT, Patna. Seventh, Pearl Academy, Rajouri Garden. Eighth, National Institute of Fashion Technology, Kolkata. Ninth, National Institute of Fashion Technology, Gandhinagar. 10th, National Institute of Fashion Technology, Bhubaneswar. 11th, Pearl Academy, Jaipur. 12th, Amity School of Fashion Technology, Noida. 13th, JD Institute of Fashion Technology, Laville Road. 14th, Symbiosis Institute of Design, Pune. 15th, Army Institute of Fashion and Design. 16th, Pearl Academy, Noida. 17th, Nifty College of Knitwear Fashion, Nifty. 18th, IMS Design and Innovation Academy. 19th, Nehru Arts and Science College. And 20 is T. John College. Further in the video, I will discuss about the colleges, like when it was established and how the college look and what is the fee for the particular college. Please watch the video until the end, and if you like my content, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. First, NIFT, New Delhi. NIFT, New Delhi, as you see in the right side of the screen, the campus looks like this. It was established in 1986. It offers B Design degree. Fee is approximately 11.09 lakhs for 4 years. It's a degree course, so the course is of 4 years. And the address. You can find this address and all the contact details in the screen for your convenience. Now we'll talk about NIFT, Mumbai. The campus looks like this and it is established in 1995. It again offers B Design degree, same as NIFT Delhi. The fee structures remains the same, which is 11 lakhs approximately for 4 years, and the address you can find in the screen. Next we'll talk about NIFT Bangalore. NIFT Bangalore campus looks like this and it is established in 1997. Again offer B Design degree. The fee structure is 11.09 lakhs for 4 years, and the address and the contact number. Next we'll discuss about National Institute of Fashion Technology, Chennai. The campus looks like this. It was established in 1995. Offers B Design degree. Fees 11.09 lakhs for 4 years. The address and the phone numbers is in your screen. Next we'll talk about NIFT Hyderabad. NIFT Hyderabad looks like this. The campus is very big and you can see in the picture. It was established in 1999. Offers B Design degree. The fees remains the same as the other NIFT centers, which is 11 lakhs approximately for 4 years, and the address and the phone number. Next we'll talk about NIFT Patna. NIFT Patna campus looks like this. It was established in 2008. It offers B Design degree. The fees is 11.09 lakhs for 4 years, and the address and the phone number at your convenience. Next we'll talk about Pearl Academy Rajouri Garden. The campus looks like this. It was established in 1993. It offers UG in fashion design. The fees is 23.88 lakhs for 4 years, and the address and the contact number. Next, National Institute of Fashion Technology, Kolkata. The campus looks like this. It was established in 1995. It offers B Design degree with fees of 11.09 lakhs for 4 years, and the address and the phone number at your screen. Next we'll talk about NIFT Gandhinagar. NIFT Gandhinagar's campus looks like this. It was established in 1995. Offers B Design degree, and the fee is 11.09 lakhs for 4 years, same as the other NIFT centers, and the address and the phone number at your screen. Next we'll talk about NIFT Bhubaneswar. NIFT Bhubaneswar campus looks like this. It was established in 2010. Offers B Design degree. Fees is 11.09 lakhs for 4 years, and the address and the phone number. Next we talk about Pearl Academy Jaipur. The campus looks like this. Established in 2007. It gives a degree of B Design from Rajasthan ILD Scale City. Fees is 19.59 lakhs for 4 years, and address and the contact number at your screen. Next we'll talk about Amity School of Fashion. The campus looks like this. It was established in 2006. Offers B Design degree. The fees of Amity School of Fashion Noida is 7.56 lakhs for 4 years, and the address and the phone number. Next we'll talk about JD Institute of Fashion Technology, Laville Road. The campus looks like this. It was established in 1988. Offers degree BSc in Fashion and Apparel Design. Fees was not disclosed on the website, so you can just contact on the given number and just have an inquiry, and the address and the phone number at your screen. Next we'll talk about Symbiosis Institute of Design, Pune. The campus looks like this. Established in 2004. Offers B Design degree. Fees is 16.20 lakhs for 4 years, and address and phone number at your screen. Next we'll talk about Army Institute of Fashion Design. The campus looks like this. It was established in 2004. It offers degree in BSc in Fashion and Apparel Design. The fees is 5.53 lakhs for 3 years, and the address and the phone number at your screen. Next we'll talk about Pearl Academy Noida. You can see the campus photo into the screen. It was established in 2007. Offers B Design degree. The fee of Pearl Academy Noida is 23.22 lakh for 4 years, and the address and the phone number at your screen. Next, we'll talk about Nifty College of Knitwear Fashion, Nifty. The campus looks like this. It was established in 1997. Degree BSc in Fashion Apparel Design. Fees 1.92 lakhs for 3 years. An address and phone number at your screen. IMS Design and Innovation Academy. The campus looks like this. Established in 2005. It offers degree Bachelor in Fashion and Textile Design plus Diploma in Fashion and Textile Design with a fee of 8 lakhs for 4 years, and the address and the phone number at your screen. Next, we'll talk about Nehru Arts and Science College. The college looks like this. Established in 1998. BSc in Costume Design and Fashion. Fees was not disclosed on the website, so you can contact in the given number and just check about the fees. Address and the phone number at your screen. Next, we'll talk about T. John College. The campus looks like this. Established in 1993. Offers degree BSc in Fashion and Apparel Design. Fee is 2.52 lakhs for 3 years. Address and phone number at your screen. So this is a video of 20 top colleges of fashion designing in India. So you can opt for any of the colleges which is there in the list, which includes some central government college like NIFT and some private colleges as well. You can opt for colleges according to your budget, but my suggestion is you can opt for NIFT and sit for the NIFT entrance exam and give it a try because it's a central government college. I'm not saying that infrastructure is not there in private college. Every college have their own infrastructure and the infrastructures are good. But NIFT is a government college, so you should prefer NIFT. But you can choose any of the college from these top colleges. All the best for your future. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel.